Hi, my name is Valongo from Nepomuceno Logistics, Operations Manager for Nepomuceno. Nepomuceno Logistics is a logistics company providing services in South Africa. We currently provide services to SAB in South Africa, and we are currently in the SAB depot. Nepomuceno Logistics has been in operation since July 2023, so it's a short period of time. How it came about, Expresso Nepomuceno is a Brazilian company and were provided an opportunity to come to South Africa to do logistics for South African breweries. Our parent company currently services different sectors in Brazil, for example, petrochemicals, beverages, agriculture, parts and services, and we would possibly looking at moving into those similar sectors. We currently have 3 sites that we service for SAB, and I'll name them as Alroad, DC, Baragwanath and Rustenburg, and we are branching out to Mafeking, Potchefstroom, Welkom, Hartswater and Kimberley in the next 2 months. And then we've also got a possibility of taking over the Alroad Brewery in July, and then we've also got outside of South Africa other opportunities through SAB. Our path with FAW crossed when we were procuring new trucks for our operation, which we initially started, and it was a recommendation through South African breweries to take some FAW trucks into our operation to test them and see their reliability and their performance in our operation. The opportunity to test the trucks in our operation was a proposal by SAB, and it was something that we decided to test as we haven't used the FAW trucks in our operation before, both in South Africa or abroad. So it would be a great opportunity for us to try their trucks in our operation. We chose the FAW JH6 28500 model in our fleet. Due to the interlink trailers that we have in our fleet, we require to have these trucks to assist us in our operation. The characteristics that we looked at in the truck was the performance in terms of power, and also the fuel consumption and the reliability of the truck. Our experience with the reliability of the trucks is that the truck is quite efficient in terms of its performance and also the fuel consumption of the vehicle. We only had these trucks in our operation for about 3 months, but in terms of the numbers that we've seen, we are very happy with the performance of the vehicle. Our after-sales service with FAW has been very, very good, and we are happy with the service they have provided, not only with regards to the initial process that we had, but also any challenges that we've faced since the inception of the trucks in our fleet. We would recommend FAW to other fleet owners and companies due to the fact that the after-sales service, the performance and the reliability of the trucks are very, very good, and it's something that we would definitely recommend to other fleet owners.